guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna create a look using colors that Trystan picks. Yes, Trystan is gonna pick every color that we put on today. So my eyes are gonna be a combination of the colors he chooses, and I'm also gonna let him pick the lip color. Stay tuned to see the final look. Fingers crossed. I have put eyes on. I think I did pretty good. I'm not a cut crease artist, y'all, and that is definitely something that I'm working on, but I feel like I did okay. Trystan's happy, he's smiling, he's saying I need to take pictures, so clearly he approves at this point. Let's keep going. So now we have a conversation about what I'm using and where it goes all over my face. And I don't know what he's on. Trystan is random, and I'm pretty sure y'all know that by now. That's my bestie. He's my tiny best friend. Here is where it gets tricky. I just knew he was gonna let me go with a nude lip, but he has other plans. Just watch. Y'all, what in the world? Well, I had to make it work, y'all. And this is the look we finished with. Thanks to Trystan August. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you, and we look forward to seeing you later. Bye.